Right, question 23 asked us to make some changes to an image. Okay, so open a copy of the image used in step 13. That's the small farm image. So open a copy of the image used in step 13. Remove the bottom third of the image and place this image in cell B. So we're going to keep the original. Remember, before we made some changes to the images here within the software program itself, right? So the files will not have changed. Okay, so basically if you want to change in the size of an image within your software, you can do it with the way I previously showed you. But if you get a question like this, we know that we need to change the actual file. Okay, we're manipulating the image. So we need to go to our folder list. Okay, there's the farm image. I'm going to open that in Picture Manager, okay, which is easy to use. Most skills, right, 99% of skills you can use Picture Manager easily. Edit, and we're going to crop this image. Remember, we still need this original image to appear as it is in our first page, so we're going to save this updated version as a separate copy. So crop. Now when you get a question that says remove the bottom third, okay, it doesn't expect you to be so accurate there. Okay, so we can just kind of do this. I think that's about a third. 1, 2. Like I say, you don't have to be too accurate. Okay, save those changes. Make sure that you save as a separate name. I don't think it's asking us to save that as a particular name, so I'm just going to do it like that. Keep the original, don't want to change that, and just double check. So I've got the original and the cropped version, and I'm going to check my original page is still using the original image. Okay, good. Now the cropped version is going to be dropped into one of these cells, cell B, which is the second row. So I should have this, but I don't have the image displaying on this folder. I need to refresh this folder list so that I can see all of the changed files and updated files. F5 is the shortcut for that. Click that and then you get your new image. So I can just drag and drop that across now. Okay, in cell C we're going to enter the following text, bottom left. Name, center number and candidate number. So that's going to look a little bit like this. Okay, and now all of this needs to be paragraph tag. So again, I'm going to change this manually because I can't see my menu at the moment. should be at the start, okay, because it's the same cell. By the way, if you see a BR anywhere, that means a line break. If ever you press enter and you go into a new line, it will put in BR/. That is one tag that doesn't come as a pair, it's just by itself. That's an error, so my text hasn't appeared properly. That's a closing tag. Let's see if that makes a difference. There we go. That looks alright. Place the contents of this text document into cell D and set it as H3. So I'm going to open this up separately. I'll maybe have a look at this in WordPad. So that's what we need. You can copy or cut this and place this in our D section. Now here's one example where I can't see that section. I'm going to go to my code. I think I might have deleted this actually. So here's what I can do. I can go to table, insert, column to the right, and then I have this now. That's messed up my first row a little bit, so I'm going to have to go in and merge these back and this row. So sometimes we'll come into these sort of situations with tables, not always easy. Okay, but that's looking to be okay now. Is that going to be paragraph? That needs to be H3. Okay. So style. H3. Move this to the end. Just going to double check the mark scheme to see how we're doing, and that looks about right. Okay. Set the table border to 2. Table, properties, border, apply. Save the page as farm HTML, which we've already done. Display it in your browser, take a screenshot and print your source code again. So remember, it's F12 or canvas. And that's kind of the screenshot that they're after. Okay, and then that's this paper finished.